News about the specifications of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra has been circulating since last week. However, new leaks have reinforced some of the information while providing details that differ slightly from previous rumors. Slight differences in dimensions and the use of a different processor have made the public even more curious.
The premium tablet market is moving fast, with major manufacturers competing to deliver thinner, more powerful devices packed with advanced features. Amidst this trend, Samsung is back in the spotlight after the latest leaks about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra circulated online. This product is touted as one of the most ambitious Android tablets of the year.
Samsung itself has confirmed that it will release this latest generation tablet before the end of the year, although it has not yet revealed the exact date. With a number of pieces of information circulating from various sources, consumers can now begin to compare their expectations of this flagship tablet, both in terms of its advantages and potential limitations.
According to the latest rumors, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will come with a thickness of 5.1 millimeters, slightly slimmer than previous leaks that mentioned 5.5 millimeters. Although the difference is not significant, the slimmer design clearly adds value, especially for large-screen devices. The tablet is said to feature a 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, underscoring Samsung's focus on premium visual experiences.
In terms of performance, the latest reports indicate that this device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, not the 9400 as previously rumored. This minor change could impact performance and power efficiency, though the exact advantages will only become clear once the device is officially released. For memory, Samsung is said to offer a 12 GB RAM option with 256 GB or 512 GB storage, as well as a top-tier variant with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage.
The rear camera is said to consist of a 13-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor, while the 12-megapixel front camera is designed for video calls and selfies. Additional features include a built-in S Pen, Wi-Fi 7, quad speakers, and an 11,600 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. The tablet also has IP68 certification for water and dust resistance and will run Android 16 with One UI 8 from day one.
In terms of features, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra looks set to challenge the iPad Pro's dominance in the premium segment. With a large screen, stylus support, and performance powered by the latest processor, this tablet has the potential to attract creative professionals and users looking for a versatile device. The inclusion of AI features and eSIM support also adds value in line with the latest technology trends.
However, there are still some questions that remain unanswered. One of them is the pricing strategy. Samsung often positions its Ultra series at a high price point, and if it is too far above its competitors, its appeal may be limited to enthusiasts only. On the other hand, even though the performance of the Dimensity 9400 Plus is projected to be on par with other flagship chips, some consumers may be more familiar with the Snapdragon series, which Samsung has been using in its premium line for a long time. The color options, which are limited to gray and silver, may also feel conservative to some users who want more variety. However, for those who prioritize performance and screen quality, this may not be a major issue. Everything will depend on how Samsung positions this device within its product ecosystem, especially for users who are already accustomed to cross-device One UI integration.
With all the leaks circulating, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra appears to be poised to compete fiercely in the premium tablet market. It remains to be seen how Samsung will execute its launch, including the official price and global availability. If all these leaks prove to be true, the device could be one of the most ambitious Android tablets ever made.